You mean why heels hurt but flats don't?
Yes?
Because the heel tip is sharper.
And?
It's about the same as being poked by a needle, right? It can pierce through the skin and make one bleed because it is very sharp. However, if one is being poked by a blunt stick, the effect will not be felt as much.
You are right. The correct term for what you just described is pressure.
Isn't pressure something like how much you press against something?
What is this press that you are talking about?
Well, like you press against something, like...
You mean a force?
Yes, that is totally what I meant.
So, do you think pressure is the same as a force?
Well, I'm not entirely sure. Clearly, pressure and force are related, but I know there must be a difference.
Indeed, there is a difference. Pressure is defined as force divided by area. Mathematically, it is P equals to F divided by A.
I don't really see the difference between pressure and force. You said that pressure is defined as force divided by area. Well, technically speaking, when we exert a force onto a surface and it is still a force, how does it become pressure?
Well, pressure is defined as the force exerted per unit area. In other words, for the same amount of force, you can get different pressure depending on the area which experiences the force.
Ah, okay. So for the same amount of force, if I exert it over a large surface area, then the pressure would be much less when compared to exerting it over a small surface area.
You are absolutely right. In mathematical terms, pressure is directly proportional to force, but inversely proportional to the area, the force that is acted upon.